And he's great for that entire community. So glad to see that they're continuing on with their tradition, not letting this stop them. And going to have things in place just in case folks have issues. Chanley Painter, thank you so much for that report. As always, truly appreciate it. Let me bring back in my guests for this hour. With me, trial attorneys C.K. Hoffler and Christa Ramey. Christa, I'll start with you. You know, as Darrell Brooks was going through all the things that he was going through in that courtroom, I kept thinking back to what these victims must be thinking, watching this guy make a mockery of what was going on in that courtroom as justice was trying to be gotten for their families, for their friends, and all those things. Well, tomorrow is their day.
It is. And, you know, I think probably one of the most important parts of a trial in some respects after conviction is to hear the victim impact statements, particularly for those who have lost someone. My family was a victim of a violent crime. I know that for us, that would be great to be able to do that one day. And I think that having that opportunity to look at the person that took your loved one away from you and look them in the eye and tell them what that person meant and what taking from them did, not only to you, but to the members of the community and other people that loved them, I think is hugely important. And I know that it does have a great impact on judges. I think that in this case, it's particularly ironic given that Darrell Brooks showed this court and this in our country's judicial system such little deference during the trial, that now he's going to have to sit there and listen to all of this. And I hope that he shows some respect to these victims because they certainly deserve it.
All right, CK, my question is going to be twofold.